Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a haul, you guys. I have a little bit of stuff. It's not a lot. But I wanted to show you everything that I've got over the past few days. But like I said, it's not a lot. It's not a ton. This right here is a Peachy Cheap package. So we're going to start with this. I'm going to be honest. I don't remember what collection this is. I don't remember what it is. I know it's a paper collection with stuff, but I don't remember what it was. Let's get it all out so I can get rid of the envelope. Boom, there we go. Okay, oh, it's the crafty things from Simple Stories. Crafty things from Simple Stories. Couldn't remember. Let's dig in to the paper pad. I don't remember it coming with thickers. I believe it was supposed to come with, it was supposed to come with stickers that went with the collection. Instead I got thickers. I'm not happy about that. All right, let's get to it. Do a quick flip through. I don't know when did this collection come out? It doesn't say. It doesn't say on here. I'm not sure. But, you know, I'm like, we're crafters. We love the crafty paper. So when I saw this, I believe it was $16.99, but don't think I'm not going to complain about not getting the right stickers or look to see, because I've never seen a thing saying they may substitute. I'm not happy about that. I'm really not. Very rainbow and some random cassette tapes. Okay, that's weird. And a lot of cut aparts. All right, there we go. And then, like I said, the thickers, whatevs. And the floral bits from Crafty Things with foil accents. So I'm not going to take them out, but here's what all of them look like. And then the bits and pieces. And the sticker book, which I guess I can be okay with not getting this big stickers, considering I did get the sticker book. I guess that's okay. I guess it's fine. I will survive, you guys. I will survive, maybe. I do have to say, okay, that's interesting. Look at this sticker page. It is stickers of everything that comes with, that you can get with the collection. That's a very interesting sticker page. Okay, that's interesting. All right. I have to say, I do appreciate Simple Stories sticker books over the Echo Park sticker books, because the Echo Park sticker books, first of all, are thicker paper, and I don't really like them all the time, and they also repeat. And that is it. That is a really interesting page. See, I was supposed to get this stickers. They're foam stickers is what I was supposed to get. All right, then I did get one stamp set. I don't usually buy stamp sets, but this is the new May Made It Stamp Club set. Now, if you do know, I was in the Stamp Club for a while, and I stopped because I was not liking any of the stamps, and I was tired of paying the money for stamps I didn't like. So I did just stopped. But then she released this one, and this one I had to have, and you'll see why in a second. But I really did have to have this one for many reasons. It is Positively Presley. Look at the Wiener Dog set. Now, yes, the Wiener Dog stamp is awesome, but I also have a lot of Wiener Dog dies. So this will come in handy. And I do have other stamps too. I may have a Wiener Dog issue. It's fine. But yeah, I had to get this one. Look how cute it is. It's so cute. Though if you do buy this one, you guys, if you go buy this one, you have to cut in between right here where the gap is and the dog, the stamp bled together. So you have to cut it apart. Okay. So if you're a Wiener Dog lover and you go buy this stamp set, make sure you cut that apart. But look at, it's so good. It's so good. So this was the only stamp set I got. I did get some dies. And I got some dies because A, they were super cheap. This one here is a little ice cream die. Ice cream cone die. And it was like $3.99 when I got it or something like that. It was so cheap. But it's just this. It looks so good. I know I can use it for something. I could have used it when I made those 4th of July cards. Then I got this set. It makes baseball, look, baseball hats. Would be really good for sports albums, like baseball albums. I made baseball albums so many times for my boyfriend already. So that would be, oh, I almost forgot I have that too. That would be really great to use that for that, or Father's Day, birthdays, anything like that. It has dad, number 1 dad on it. There's a baseball bat, lightning bolt, a fish, a heart, stars. So all different ways to use this die, and I can't wait to actually use it. And I got one last one, and it is this right here. And I got this because of, I'll put it this way so you can see the scalloped edging, and then it basically comes with pieces to layer, and that's what I wanted when I saw it. I want to be able to layer the pieces on top of each other and have a scallop background, and then the regular plain rectangles. So that's that. Okay, and then I did get something from Amazon. That's these are all 3 are from Amazon. I did get something else from Amazon, and you will be seeing it this month. Actually, I'm going to be doing the video as soon as I'm done here because it's the last video. These are the last 2 videos I have to film, except for my journal with me is for July, so I will be filming it in a little bit. But I wanted to do this month for August, a traveler's notebook, and I'm going to make a journal kit. Okay, so that's coming up at the end of the month for August, so you'll see that. And I was looking for traveler's notebooks, and this set here, it fits the Voyager notebooks. I don't know what those are. All the sets were 2 for $8.99, $9.99. That's what, and they had way more pages than I needed. Okay, this set here was $3.95. Can you see that? $3.95 for these 2 notebooks with a good amount of pages that I needed in it. So I thought I would grab this set and we could test them. I got the blank pages, no lines, no dots, completely blank. They're like a creamy color instead of white. It's like a creamy color instead of white. See? But I want to test them, see how good the paper is, how good they'll hold up as a journal. And if they're good, don't think I'm not going to buy some more for $3.97. Okay. Then at Michael's, I must have gotten something else at Michael's, but I don't remember what it was. Oh, my boyfriend got paint. I got this, and it was sitting over here. And this, I believe, is what I got from Michael's. It's just these 2 things right here. This remnant I found in the clearance. It was $1.60 for the remnant. So I just grabbed it. You never know when you're going to need blue fabric. So I thought that was a good grab for $1.60. It's a good amount. It's not a small amount of fabric. So it's a decent amount. And now I have that. So that's that. I can now put this away. And then on top of that, I get this 2-step velvety flock. Okay. So you paint on just the paint, and then you cover it with the texture to make it flocked. Now, my boyfriend grabbed this for me. He's like, you need to use this because I think this would be really cool to make a cover for a journal. I said, okay. So I'm going to make a cover for a journal eventually using this stuff. All right. Then also on Amazon, because, you know, there's no Joanne anymore, I got some interfacing. I got this interfacing to cover the back of my embroidery on that embroidered sweatshirt I'm making. That's what this is for, just to protect the inside of the sweatshirt, the embroidery, so it doesn't snag on anything, rip on anything. So that's what this is for. This is what a lot of people use. I did a lot of research. So the SF101 from Pellon, if you're interested in doing that, that is one of the ones that I'm doing my research that people really recommended to use. So, okay, there's that one. Then we went to Ollies. On Monday we went to Ollies, and what the hell did we go for? We went for snacks for our trip. That's what we went for. And I always hit the crafting section when we go. I found this package of Astro Bright 65-pound paper in gray, weathered gray, punchy peach, bubblegum, and pulsar pink for $2.99. So I grabbed this. They had other ones, but they were 32-pound, and I didn't want anything less than 64-pound. So these are the ones that I grabbed. I can always use gray, and my boyfriend's like, well, you can always use that pink. By the way, the pink is much brighter in person than on camera. It is very bright pink. Very bright pink. Also, they had Cricut Joy cards. Now, did I want them for the Cricut Joy? Probably not. I don't usually make those kind of like cutout cards like that. I don't usually make those, but I couldn't pass up 12 cards and 12 envelopes and 12 inserts that I could use for anything, not just the Cricut, for 99 cents. So it's the holographic. You got 12 of the holographic inserts, which I could use for die cutting, no problem. Look at how these like textured, gray textured cards. Can you see the texture on that? They're so nice. And then 12 envelopes, and it was 99 cents. I was not leaving that behind, but I could kind of kick myself for not grabbing. They had Cricut. Give me a second to think. First of all, I have massive brain fog like all the time, but I also have a migraine, and I've had it for a few days. Like my headache's been really bad, and I have a headache in my temple, and it's just pounding in my temple. I'll think of it eventually, but it was a pack of red foil, but I didn't want red, but I'm kicking myself for not grabbing it. I also grabbed these infusible markers for $1.99. Now, am I going to use them? I don't know. It's infusible ink for the Cricut. They're freehand markers, heat activated. You draw on, I forget, I have to look it up again what you're supposed to use. But for $1.99, if I ever needed them, I wanted to have them. This one thing I don't have is infusible ink markers. So I did grab them for $1.99. I thought I can't pass that up because you never know. So that is what I grabbed. So this is from Ollies. And this stuff is from Amazon. May made it. Michael's. And Peachy Cheap. So that is my little haul. Like I said, it wasn't much, but I wanted to show you guys what I got before I started using it in videos. So there you go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're already subscribed. And if you're not already subscribed, don't subscribe if you're already subscribed. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Have a great rest of your day.